In today's video, I'll show you a simple trick on how to update the Telegram app on PC. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. Once Telegram is open, look at the top left corner of the window and click the menu button. This will open the main Telegram menu. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, tap Advanced. Then scroll down to Version and Update section. If a new version is available, Telegram will indicate that an update can be installed. Follow the instructions shown on the screen to begin the update. Telegram may download the latest version automatically. While the update is being downloaded and installed, it's best to wait until the process is finished. Once the update has been installed, Telegram Desktop may restart automatically. If it doesn't restart, simply follow the instructions shown by the application. And that is pretty much it. No more missing out on new features or dealing with outdated bugs. Just a quick check and you're back on the latest version. If you found this quick tech tip helpful, hit that like button or share it with a friend who always runs outdated software. Let me know in the comments what other PC tips you want me to cover next. See you in the next one.